right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. We are headed out to a little early morning cars and coffee. This one actually should be pretty legit. There's supposed to be a lot of nice cars here. Gonna link it with some people once we get there. Hopefully the turnout is good. It's supposed to be good. So if you guys enjoy this type of content, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications. Whipping the S650, but really enjoying driving this car, just cruising. It's super comfortable, and for the most part, you know, it's kind of quick. It's kind of quick, not gonna lie. I don't know what's gonna happen after this meet. Supposedly, we're making a trip to Mexico. I'm not 100% sure. If we do, well, you'll see it in this video as well. But yeah, I'm curious what cars are gonna be pulling up, man. It's supposed to be pretty decent, but hey, you never know. The weather's been kind of weird. It's been warm some days and then just kind of windy and cold the next. Like, it was 80 yesterday and now it's like 63, windy. 63 better than 20, but this weather been inconsistent. I'm not really liking it. Either stay warm or just stay cold. Don't be flip-flopping. Because one day I'm in a t-shirt, the next I'm in like 2-3 layers and I'm still cold. But that cold air good for the car though. I will say that. Especially because this car is, you know, NA. Booster cars too, but this thing be moving different when it's cold, for real. My first time going to this location as well, so we'll see. Hopefully it's not like jam-packed, it's a cluster that it's gonna be difficult to get in. I have to park, you know, across the street or something like that, and then walk over to the meet. I hope there's plenty of parking for everybody, and the turnout is good. Not that far. Probably cut the vlog back on once we get closer to the meet. This route's a little weird though. I'm hitting like a lot of stoplights, but you know what? It is what it is.
A few moments later.
All right, about to pull up. Oh my goodness, it's actually packed. Ah, dang. Jesus.
Proceed to the route.
This place is packed.
Proceed to the route.
Stay up there?
Proceed to the route.
I don't know where I'm gonna park.
It took us 3.5 hours.
Proceed to the route.
Shit, probably back over here. Why not?
Proceed to the route.
One eternity later.
All right. Took 40 minutes to park, but we got it, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's see what we got here. Crazy LS swap, GT 500. We got a ZL1 on some Belix and Aerospaces. God. The Supra, we rode in this Supra about 2 months ago. It is fast, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is moving. Belix too. Damn. Look at this. this, y'all. This is pretty sick.
Is that box by them? Is that Shelby over there? Oh, damn.
We got a C8. Look at the interior, man. This interior is crazy. I like that. I ain't gonna lie. They got some nice rides here. I ain't gonna cap. We got a Pro Mod coming through. I know people be saying, oh, he got a Pro Mod, but look, like this. What the hell? Oh, fuck. You got a straight Pro Mod. Another GT500. Look at this. Damn. Sheesh. What the fuck? Crazy ass turbo, bro. The turbo is huge. Ah, damn. Nice ass rides here, y'all, for real. It's a way better turnout than I thought. I ain't gonna lie. Way better. A lot of Vettes, a lot of Supras, some different rides today. The wide body 392 looks nice too. In that color. Whew, and the ZL1. I do like ZL1s, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Got an SS. We got a 650 back here. Another 6th gen. This thing is sitting nice too. Front lip. Rahana's in the front, Weld in the back. It's crazy like how much different these cars look lowered. People like to say, oh, they look like 6th gen. Look, we're gonna go ahead and end the debate right now. How are y'all gonna say they look like 6th gens? Like they got two of them next to each other. I can't see it. People say, oh, the 650s look like 6th gens. It doesn't look like a 6th gen whatsoever. Like, come on, y'all. Give me a break. It doesn't look like a 6th gen whatsoever. People just hate. The 650s, they look good, bro. Lowered on some wheels. Sheesh. Mark 5. Daytona 392 on a tire. Ooh, I heard those turbos. C7 Z06. Another is Grand Sport. Ooh. And a Bellet ZR1. Clean. Mach 1. I've actually seen this Mach 1 before. Yep. With the nice wheels on it. I test drove that car too. Got some more Mustangs over here. We got FRS. Shit. Turbo. Damn, I'm getting some flashbacks. I ain't gonna cap. On the Ford Stars. Wide body too. Manual. Damn, I'm getting some flashbacks, man. It's crazy how small these cars are too, man. We got a GR86 over here as well. Some nice rides. Wait, hold on, it's actually supercharged. The R up on it, hell yeah. Looks good. Whipple truck. Grand Sport on a tire. 6-speed too. I would still take a Grand Sport, I ain't gonna lie too. Pretty damn good turnout. Way better than I thought I was gonna be. Got an M4. Whew. This M4 looks good. This shit looks good. Damn. This shit looks good. They just sit nice. They just sit nice. Almost crashed. A Roush car, hell yeah. That looks good, I like that. I think the S197 Roushes look the best, no cap. In my personal opinion. I think the S197's one looks the best. You got a demon. You got a demon blower on here. Holy shit. Wait, hold on. Yeah, you got a demon blower on this Jeep. This shit pretty sleeper, I ain't gonna lie. That's sick. The real pro mod showed up. Oh man. The real pro mod showed up. Yeah, this thing's a pro mod now, man. The real pro mod.
Bro, I've had it since the Supra. I just never put it on.
Sheesh. It's Texas fastest 650. Just report it for duty.
Did they end up running last night?
At 3 o'clock, yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't staying for that. Anyone else though?
No. Alright. Left a little meat. Definitely a good turnout. Got some cars here at this gas station. Badass. A lot of these cars I have already ran. Z01. Woo. These fellas had some good ass runs tonight. or I should say today. So used to being out in Mexico at night. This actually is clean right here. Hold on. Damn. Good ass turnout, y'all. My transmission is probably at the house right now. Actually, it's definitely not. But cannot wait to be back out.